Yo, yo, yo! Wagwan! Yeah, man, we're there. Vybz Kartel with good. Official lyric video. The one produced by Bobby Konders and Massive B, legend of the game. Big up Bobby Konders and Massive B. Gaza people, are you ready? We jump in the one and see what the teacher did. Let's go. Good. Kartel, let's go.
Massive B.
Wait, that one are different already.
Girl, you full of sex appeal, full of sex appeal. Full of sex appeal, girl, you full of sex appeal. Full of sex appeal, girl, you full of sex appeal.
Alright, that's something for the ladies, them. Them full of sex appeal. Let's go.
Every time me say you me want flow. Hood inna your throat or hood inna your gut. Yeah, me love your pussy, what a pretty little cut.
Massive B.
Hold on. Kartel attack them rhythm are different.
Girl, you full of sex appeal, full of sex appeal. Full of sex appeal, girl, you full of sex appeal. Full of sex appeal, girl, you full of sex appeal.
Massive B and Bobby Konders, una legend of the business. We not get a video. We not get a official music video for this.
Every time me say you me want flow. Hood inna your throat or hood inna your gut.
Mama, you're full of sex appeal, you know. You're full of it, you know. So anytime I see you, every time I see you, I fuck. Every time I see you, I fuck because you give me that vibe there.
Yeah, me love your pussy, what a pretty little cut. Kneel down, ya so me cocky fi get suck.
Yeah, me love your pussy, what a pretty little cut. Kneel down, ya so me cocky fi get suck. Alright, let's go.
Balls for your chin, call it a uppercut.
Balls for your chin, call it a uppercut.
Yeah, my queen, yeah, my wife, yeah, my slut. Me we pay for your breast and your butt. Colombia or DR, we a go.
Anywhere you want go, mama, which one? Pick one. Dr. DR or Dr. Colombia. Pick one. Me will pay for your dolly body. Oh, you mean? Me will pay for your announcements. Big words, man. Big words.
Me a pay for the flight tomorrow. Love the tightest pussy. Love the tightest pussy. Love the tightest pussy.
Like me said, that I want to not start. That one are different. That one are totally different.
Love the tightest pussy. Good, gal your boom, boom. Good, gal your boom, boom. Good, gal.
The AI video show me off your fuck. Bobby Konders, we need the real video.
Boom, good. Love the tightest pussy. We are fuck from Bronx, go to Brooklyn.
We are fuck from Bronx, go to Brooklyn. You have the tightest pussy. We are fuck from Bronx, go to Brooklyn. Kartel. Where do that in your hand? Put it down, man. Go put it down, man.
I me broke me a give girl the good dick. Now me rich them and ya meet like cookie.
When me broke me a give girl the good dick, cause him never have nothing else for gear cause him broke. Now him rich, them and ya meet like cookie. Yes. Yummy.
You want a real bad bitch like Suki. Sukiana pussy. You want me Rihanna.
As Sukiana this in that video?
Real bad bitch like Sukiana.
As Sukiana that? I don't think as Sukiana people?
Sukiana pussy. You want me Rihanna. So me are your Rocky. Just like a piano. You a play with my balls, bitch.
You are me Rihanna. So me are your Rocky. It's that Rocky. You get it?
Love the tightest pussy. Love the tightest pussy. Love the tightest pussy. Love the tightest pussy.
Gaza people, I want to say about that one here. What do you think about that one here?
Good, gal your boom, boom. Good, gal your boom, boom. Good, gal your boom, boom. Every time me say you me want flow.
Yo, big up the moms them in the video too. Big up the moms them in the video. Yeah.
Hood inna your throat or hood inna your gut. Yeah, me love your pussy, what a pretty little cut. Kneel down, ya so me cocky fi get so. Balls.
Yo. Kartel is not afraid to try to experiment with the music. Different sounds. And I believe like Bobby Konders them know this. Massive B them know this. So them just give me a rhythm and say, yo, I'm sorry Kartel can do pon a rhythm.
And your chin call it a uppercut. Yeah, my queen, yeah, my wife, yeah, my slut. Me we pay for your breast and your butt. Colombia or DR, we a go.
Ladies in the comment section, Which surgeon better? Which country do the surgery them better? DR or Colombia? What wanna say? Cause I don't have experience. What wanna say?
Me a pay for the flight tomorrow. Have the tightest pussy. Have the tightest pussy. Have the tightest pussy. Have the tightest pussy.
I like it. I like it. Some people might not like it. I like it. It's something for the girl them and it different. I like it.
Good, girl your boom, boom. Good, girl your boom, boom. Good, girl your boom, boom. Good.
I just one thing that throw me off. I just the AI video. I just the AI visuals. I like it.
You have the tightest pussy. We a fuck from Bronx go a Brooklyn. From me broke me a give girl the good dick. Now me rich them and ya meet like cookie.
You hear that? So big up all I broke man, them still a get girl. Cause someone up rich and not get no girl, let alone broke. Imagine if you broke.
Me want real bad bitch like Sukiana pussy. You want me Rihanna, so me are your Rocky. Just like a piano, you a play with my balls, bitch.
Just like a piano, mama, you play with the balls. You play with the testicles. Big word again, man. Testicles.
You have the tightest pussy. You have the tightest pussy. You have the tightest pussy. You have the tightest pussy.
Hold on, let me see when them comment here, Saxon. 1 o'clock, King of Dancehall, blah, blah, blah. Here before 1 million views. Yes, of course. Gaza people them out tonight, I mean.
Good, girl your boom, boom. Good, girl your boom, boom. Good, girl your boom, boom. Good.
I wasn't expecting this one to drop today. I was expecting the one where my preview on him gram will drop. That one there, I gonna be a hit song, I believe. So I wasn't expecting to drop this one, but Kartel is unpredictable, bro.
Gal your boom boom, gal your boom boom, gal your boom boom, gal your boom boom,
gal your boom boom good. Some ladies them, yeah man, mama your boom boom good. Yeah, good. Massive B, big up yourself. Yes man. Bobby Konders, big up on yourself. Like me say, legend again, big up on yourself. Yeah. This bad though. This bad. I like it. Rhythm different. Sound different. It just push Kartel to do something different on the rhythm, which he did. So yeah, big up yourself, teach. As always, big up yourself. Production team, big up on yourself. Bobby Konders, Massive B, big up on yourself. We need the music with the feet though. Gaza fans, wanna say what I wanna? How it sound? Let me know I go in the comment section. I'll be down there, alright? Pew.